Well, jumping straight into it, folks, we now have another rig on the channel. 1985 K20 Suburban. The original plan was I was gonna throw some 37s on here, which I still may do on down the line, but for the time being it was gonna take too much to get them on there. So those are sitting at home in the garage right now. What you see on there right now is a set of 33s I went and picked up, slipped right on. This is stock suspension, and that's about it. Crank her up real quick, let y'all hear it. Out here messing around in 4-wheel drive. Now that I can finally come out and mess around. Right on up. This exhaust gotta go. Got a hole in it back here. It's loose. It's loose, so might just cut it right there. Boom. Wake it up a little bit, but other than that, man, outside of the paint job, run perfect. Fresh tune up, new fluids. I did have to go through the carburetor a little bit. I put all new stuff in there. New fuel pump, mechanical, new fuel lines. I did clean the inside up as best I could. Got some covers on the seats. Damn, hat falling out. I got a damn uniform inspection tomorrow. But I just went on and got some seat covers and put on here. Headliner missing, but I'm not really too pressed about that right now. Nothing like that. Got my Febreze down there. 4-wheel drive, of course. I did order a dash. Oh, let me show y'all the upgraded the sound system. I took everything that they had in here out, and they had did that. I put a new speaker right there and another one over there. I ordered a dash. It should be coming this weekend. Get that put in here. I got to get that cleaned up. As you can see, they did cut into the factory setup right there. The radio that they had in there, I took it out and put one of mine in there and got everything wired up. If you can see right there, the tack meter is hanging. Got to get that wired up. They cut the original bezel where the radio sat, so I ordered a new one of those. I'm still gonna have to cut the one I'm gonna have to get up, but it'll be a cleaner look. And then I'm gonna repaint that over there. New steering wheel, the door over there, as you can see, it need a little love. This one not too bad, but peeling up right here, it's gonna need some love. It's to be expected though. It's to be expected. The carpet, I am looking at getting a new carpet. It's no major tears or whatnot, but it is dirty and I don't like that. The back door over there, not too bad. This one, not too bad. It's missing the piece that go right here, and the lock part is messed up. Might have to open that up, see what that's about. But other than that, man, this sucker is solid. So nothing too crazy with this, man. I'm gonna probably lift it a little bit. I'm trying to figure out how to get a roof rack up there so I can put a tent on there. And it's gonna be a pretty simple off-road, nothing too crazy. And if you can see this right here, the only leak, the only little spot right there, that's it. I guess I can show the frame too if y'all can see it. Solid. Solid. So stick around, man. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this one, but I know I'm not gonna go too far, because I just look at it. Even with the messed up paint, man, you just look at, damn, that's a truck right there. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get her fixed up some more, but it ain't really much else to do for real. It's a 350 in there, TH400. 241, I believe, for the transfer case. So it's pretty solid. Pretty solid. But yeah, man, just we'll get off here and take some pictures of it though. And so for those that found the channel because of the Montero that's getting swapped, I have not forgotten about it. I had got to a point to where I wanted to start getting back out, going camping, stuff like that, and I wasn't able to. So I had to find something, and this so happenly came across while I was up one night scrolling through Facebook Marketplace. Let me tell you how much I got it for. $1,500, man. $1,500. The only thing was wrong with it, it was having carburetor problems. Fuel pump was messed up. I had to run new fuel lines, and it needed a full tune-up. Like, he could get it running, and he had it running to where we did a little test drive. Transmission was shifting, all of that. I even threw it down in 4-wheel to see how that was working. All of that was working, but I could tell there was something going on with fuel delivery and tune-up wise. So I closed on it, got it pieced up good enough to get home. I let it sit for like a week, and then one weekend I just went full in on it, starting Friday night, finished around Sunday sometime, went completely through it, went to crank it up, sucker fired right up. I've been driving it ever since. It's going on a month of me owning it right now, and I'll have to put a picture in here of what it looked like prior to this. Ain't much really changed, but the inside, I put the covers on there, some tires, and that's it, and some mirrors. It was missing mirrors, but yeah, I'm not gonna do too much craziness to it. I do want to get it painted, or I might leave it like this, excuse me. But yeah, this is the new well, not new rig, a new addition to the channel. So we now have 2 rigs, one under open heart surgery, which again I have not forgot about. I got the transmission finally. I got my body mounts finally, because I was having a little trouble with the clearance issue for the tunnel. So that kind of solved that problem, but we're gonna see once we slide the transmission down in there. And if you don't know about the Montero build, it's a LS swap going in there, 5.3 with a 1260 241 transfer case going on that. So yeah, that's pretty much sums up what's going on right now with the channel. About to start back getting out, start making some videos, man. Stick around.